Hello guys! In this video, I will unboxing the tripod that Sir Rimar gifted me. Okay, so Sir Rimar once told me if I win the competition in RFOT, Regional Festival of Talents in Pintahusay, which is a competition that I'm actually representing in, he will gift me this tripod and it will help me paint my canvas better. So you may ask what paintings I usually do. So basically I do realistic paintings, landscapes. I don't do portraits yet because I haven't learned that. And most of all, the most important thing in my paintings, I use acrylic paints. And that's how I paint most of my paintings. And luckily, I won RFOT in Pintahusay. I won the competition as champion. Out of 21 contestants, I am number 20. I won as champion, first place. And today, I will be unboxing this tripod. Alright. So, this will help me in my paintings because I don't have a stand yet. It has a zipper. It has plastic. This is brand new. It's pretty long too. And I will teach you guys how to assemble this if you wanna buy one at home. So this is the product right here. Let me take it off. Let's see. Right here. This is the tripod right here. This is the canvas handler where you need to like put this on behind the stand, and you essentially put a canvas over here, and it will make a stand like that. Okay, so I will teach you guys how to assemble this. So this is a rolling mechanism where it uses force and gravity and friction, and it helps move, or it grips on what kind of surface you're placing the tripod in. So this is rubberized, and essentially it's rubber to make more friction and grip on the surface better. So I will teach you guys how to assemble this. So first you need to unlock this open. Just twist it open like this. The tree. Now you need to make the tree fall out and lock them again. Just like so. Okay, so this one, you do the same thing. Is unlocking it and locking it again. Like that. Perfect. But you need to adjust this whatever you want. You can adjust the heights. You can adjust these, the tree feet. Alright, perfect. Wider, you can make it shorter. Now you see the grips on this thing actually helps it prevent from falling. So that's why it has balls inside. Now this is the canvas holder where you need to place this in a certain way like this. So you see the small little holes here. You need to put this on number 3 on either side, on each side, or you can put it number 4 right here, or you can just do this however you like. Number 4 and number 3, just like so. This one has 4, this one has 3. Okay, so you put your canvas over here, and if you want to, you can wrap this on the back, just like so. Which you need to put it in. This one is like, it's a thing where it grips on a surface like this, or under the surface where it's like over here. So you need to attach it to the bottom so it doesn't really stick out, just like so. Like so. Now you have your tripod. Now this one is the adjuster where it measures how big your tripod is. So if you want to lock it, you can just do this. It locks in place. You see this thing over here? This one is the unlocked mode and this one is the lock mode. So you just put it down over here. Now it's stabilized and locked. Just like that. And this part over here, you adjust the lock system. Look how wide or how big your canvas is. So you need to press this on to measure how big your canvas, like that. If this is how you want your canvas to be big. So if you want it to be portrait, this is the right thing. And if you want it to be landscape, this is how big the canvases usually are in landscape. And then you simply just lock this part over here, do it down like that. So this is the tripod that Sir Raymar gave me, just like that. Here, look. Damco. This is a canvas I usually practice on. This is the monuments or the great stand of, what is it, Bacolod? It's their plaza. This is the stand right here. So basically you put your canvas, and judging how big your canvas is, you need to adjust this over here. So you put it down like this. Now this one's a bit too tall, so let's adjust this. It's unlock like that, and lock. Now you need to unlock, press. You need to hold a little bit, make it go down, lock and lock. This is the painting and that tripod. It's like that. This is how you adjust your canvas or your tripod to measure the perfect size on judging how big it is. And this is it. It's a tripod. And this is a tripod. Thank you so much, Sir Raymar. I really liked it. This is the perfect tripod on how I paint on canvas. Thank you so much. I literally love it so much. And you can even adjust the lens to potentially help you in your paintings and adjust how tall or small you want it to be. And yeah, thank you so much, Sir Raymar, for your gift, and I really appreciate it. Bye!